Dear students, we are in question number 8 of exercise 12.3. Let us read the question. Figure depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. The distance between the two inner parallel segment is 60 meter. This distance is 60 meter, and they are of each 106 meter long. If the track is 10 meter wide, find the distance around the track along the inner edge and the area of the track. We have to find out. Alright, so let us find the distance at first. This is a straight line. It is 106 meter long. There is another one 106 meter long. And what is this? This is a semicircle. This is another semicircle. So there are two semicircles. We know that a circle, its circumference is 2 pi r, and only this part is given. This part is here and this part is there. We can imagine like this. The total is 2. The total distance is 2 pi r. So here it is pi r. Here also this is pi r. So this distance is pi r. This distance is also pi r. What is the radius of it? We can imagine the diameter. Diameter is the inner distance. Inner distance is 60 meter. Okay, this distance is 60 meter. So radius of each semicircular path is 60 by 2, that is 30 meter. So radius of inner semicircle r is 60 by 2 meter, that is 30 meter. Now let us find this total distance, inner distance. The distance will be this length 2 times 106 plus 106 meter plus this is pi r, this is also pi r, because this is symmetric. So we can write 2 into pi r. 106 meter plus 106 meter. 2 into pi is 22 by 7. The radius is 30 meter. So now if we add, this is 12 to this is 7 2 to this is 44 into 3 4 12 3 13 1320 by 7. So let us take the LCM. It is 7 because the denominator is 1 plus 1320. If we add them, let us see, 1484 1320. So it is 2804 meter. So distance of inner track is 2804 divided by 7 meter. Now let us solve the second one. Now dear students, let us solve the second one. Second one is the area of this track. Now let us divide this track. This is a rectangle, this is another rectangle, this is a semicircle part, this is a semicircle part. So let us draw one by one. This one rectangle, let us plot here. There are two such kind of rectangles, two rectangles. Okay, and this part, the semicircular arc, it is like this. This shaded part we have to find out. Now this kind of arc, there are two arcs. One is here, another is one is here. So 2, number of semicircular arc is 2. If we add the area of these two rectangle and the area of this semicircular arc 2 times together, then we are finding the area of this track. So let us see how to find. Now at first, area of two rectangles, 2 into area of a rectangle is length into breadth. What is the length? This length is given, this is 106 meter. 106 meter, and the breadth, the inner, if the track is 10 meter wide, this is 10 meter wide, so breadth is 10. So this is 2120 meter square. After this, let us find the area of this part. Now how to find the area of this part? We shall find the area of the bigger semicircle. Let us imagine like this. Area of this bigger semicircle minus this area of this smaller semicircle will give the area of this shaded part. Now That means we have to know this radius, suppose this is smaller, and this radius bigger. Let us see. Now this total distance, this distance is this distance, that is distance between the two inner line. The distance between two inner line was 60 meter. This is 60 meter. That means this distance is 60 meter. So small r will be then 30 meter, and this width is already given. It is, if the track is 10 meter wide, so this is 30 plus 10 is 40 meter. Okay, so let us write this part here. Radius of inner semicircle, be it is r, 30 meter. Radius of bigger or outer semicircle, big R, 30 plus that 10. This 10 is the width of the circular track, 40 meter. Okay, so area of two semicircular arcs, 2 into area of a circle is pi r square, so area of a semicircle is half of that, that is half pi r square, half this pi r square, pi big R square minus half pi smaller square. Okay, this is area of this bigger track minus this area of this smaller area. Okay, this half pi r square, this half pi r square is this area, bigger one, bigger semicircle, and this half pi r square is the area of this smaller semicircle. Now from these two, let us take something common. What is common here? Half pi. So what is left? R square minus R square. These two will get cancelled. Okay, so let us do the remaining part there. Now here let us again solve like this. 2 to cancel. Pi is 22 by 7. Big R is 40 square, small r is 30 square. Okay, 22 by 7. This is 1600. This is 900. 22 by 7. If we subtract, this is 700. We can cancel 2200 meter square. Okay, this is the area of these two semicircular arc, and area of these two tracks already we have found, it is 2120 meter square. So to find the area of the whole track, let us add this area and this area. So okay, area of the track is equal to area of these two rectangles we have already found, 2120 meter square, and area of these two semicircular arcs just now we found 2200 meter square. So let us add them. 2200, 2120, 0, 2, 3, 4, 4320 meter square. Alright students, so this is the value for the area of this track. Alright students, thank you.